The revolutionary invention of the wheel, around 3500 BC. Lighting up our first electric bulb in 1800. Successful bidirectional transmission of clear speech through telephone in 1876. Discovery of penicillin in 1928. Need is the mother of invention, and all these inventions do happen because of necessity at that time. The team at Indo has rewritten this code by not only designing and manufacturing these machines for present need, but by inventing and producing future-ready machines. Indo Equipment Limited, which is in 12th year of operation, had started producing world-class tractors immediately after its inception. The National Bharati Award for Entrepreneur of the Year in 2003, Udyog Ratan Award for Excellence in year 2005 are endorsing the same. All products of Indo get appreciation not only in domestic market but renowned companies around the world also get impressed with it. The famous Polish company Ursus, which has a name in history of tractor manufacturing, at one time whose engines were used in Indo tractors, swung into reverse gear and started importing engine parts and finally complete engines. The Indo team never got overwhelmed with the initial successes, but was always working to set and achieve new goals. That was just the beginning of a prosperous future, which was dreamed by the promoters before conceptualization of this company. If you dream it up, you should team it up. Enthusiastic team is a vital organ to scale up the achievements, and one could get envious considering the dedicated workforce at Indo The manufacturing plant is spread in about 34 acres of vast land, and so is the workforce. Qualified and committed workforce at Indo does play equally important role at every step, whether it is planning, designing, manufacturing or sales. The company has its own research and design arm, which does a fantastic job in research and development that plays an imperative role in creating long-lasting, ultra-modern, future-ready, easy-to-operate, comfortable and value-for-money machines. The 100,000 satisfied end users all over the globe not only support but encourage Indo to reset next level of expectations. The company, which initially started producing tractors, is spreading its wings in terms of product addition. Now it produces harvest combines, eco-friendly gensets, rototillers, and hydraulic pick and carry cranes. Most of the components of these products are manufactured in-house, using high-end apparatus in every department of production. Whether it is newly installed foundry for casting-related jobs, machining, an assembly or paint shop. Each step of manufacturing process is closely monitored for quality assurance to maintain high standards of final output. The ISO 9001-2008 certification does endorse it. The story of producing world-class equipment needs attention at each and every step. Every machine is like a human body, and if any of its organs doesn't work properly, one can understand the outcome. Keeping in mind these facts, the company uses components and accessories produced only by globally renowned trusted brands. These brands help to make more dependable product. The power of Indo equipment got another dominant shot in its fold when its tractor scaled up 3,623 kilometers in Himalayas where none has reached yet and got its name registered in Limca Book of World Records. Brand Indo adds up new chapter to its success book every other day. Lister Pitter, a UK-based company which has footprints all over the world, started procuring genset engines of this brand which are being sold through their network worldwide. Indo Equipment Limited is exporting their machines not only to developing countries, but companies from developed nations have also trusted and partnered with them. The brand Indo has hoisted its flag in countries like Ireland, Greece, Brazil, Mexico and Singapore, apart from Nepal, Africa and Burma. Indo pick and carry hydraulic mobile cranes are complying with European standards EN 13000 and come with CE certification.
We do understand different regions, different climate conditions, different applications need different machines. We at Indo always design multifunctional and multi-purpose machines that can run in all circumstances.
The term full stop is not written into Indo dictionary, and workforce there is engaged in creating new proficient machines for every need. In the sequence of pick and carry hydraulic mobile cranes, it has developed a world-class, power-packed, ultra-modern, fully loaded, easy-to-operate, multi-purpose machine. These Indo pick and carry hydraulic mobile cranes come in various capacities, ranging from 9 to 23 ton, and one can choose depending upon one's requirement. Apart from being equipped with basic features, these cranes are loaded with conjuring characteristics of unmatched quality in its class. These distinctions can give feel of a luxury sedan or SUV to its users. While going through basic features of these machines, they stand ahead and edged above any competition. The solid commendable engine, straight rear axle, heavy-duty main frame and winch. Full-length chassis fortify these machines and add extra strength, power and life to it. The high ground clearance, minimum turning radius and air brakes are other additional features which add more safety to the performance of these cranes. These machines are equipped with extraordinary safety measures like fail-safe brakes on hoist, cylinder guard for protection and above all, counterbalance valve for hoist failure protection. These measures generate more confidence to the operator. The legendary admirable features have a long list. All-weather cabin is a privilege for its user. While designing this crane, every care has been taken into consideration. These pick and carry cranes come with ROPS standards. That is, rollover protective structure for user that gives ultimate security cover to the operator. Keeping in mind the consequences of dangers involved while operating these machines, steering and lift cylinder guard, front bumper to make this vehicle more reliable, helper seat, reverse gear tuner, outriggers, 3-meter fly jib are also added to it. In continuous process of making this crane more user-friendly, the modern-day gadgets like rear-view camera has been added, inclinometer, fireproof cabin, emergency exit. These features are also put in place to meet the international standards. Oscillation control mechanism has been implemented on these cranes for smooth movement. The other implements and components like basket to carry man, spare wheel, dragging winch, air-conditioned operator's cabin, additional cabin and wheel guard can be added on demand. Gadgets like distance sensors, safe load indicator with hydraulic cutoff, spark arrestor are optional and can be part of the crane one desires. These fuel-efficient and low-maintenance machines are available in 2-wheel drive as well as in 4-wheel drive on choice. The genuine spares are easily available. To make flawless and performance-oriented product, it gets tested mechanically, electronically and practically before delivering it to the clients. Although these machines are designed for long-lasting performance, but in certain circumstances after-sales service is required. A wide network is available for every assistance.
Indo Power is a dream come true. We are able to offer a world-class product to our customers at a most competitive prices, backed by excellent after-sales services. So we are able to make our customer happy.
Above all, these cranes are designed to handle various jobs in industries, construction sites, warehousing, shifting, loading, unloading or any other applicable use. Indo Power pick and carry hydraulic mobile cranes are much better than any other such machine.
We are committed to deliver machines in compliance with international standards, and our mission is to raise those standards to the next level of excellence.
The company understands and gives value to its workforce. In the process of workflow, tough and tense moments come and go. Indo Farm does conduct indoor games to rebuild their energy and mood. The young but experienced workforce of around 1,000 members consisting of technocrats, managers, researchers, skilled and supporting personnel at Indo Farm is energetic and enthusiastic to take up any challenge. Faith, prosperity, magnificence are synonyms of Indo Farm.